Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So up for offer is a mid-1920s, about 1925 Masters gumball machine with a coin return on it. If you look here in the book, you'll see that they produced these in the mid-1920s, and it was really quite a good gimmick because what happens is that when you play the machine, you clearly get a gumball, but if you look down here, this is a penny return. So like a trade stimulator, it's kind of like a trade stimulator gumball machine. When you play this, the coin drops through, okay? So you have a chance, okay? If it goes to the right or left here, it will come out this hole right here and your penny will be returned. See, so, man, it's hard to hit, okay? Just like all the penny flips, they're hard to make any money on. But this did give you an opportunity to get a piece of gum and get your money back. So what happened with this particular machine is there is a metal fabricator here in Orange County. His name is Vic. How you doing, Vic? This is for you. And what we did is we took one of the high-end Masters gumball machines, which is the gooseneck style. There's one that's about half this fancy. This is the better one, right? And then he reproduced this bottom for us, okay? And he's super good. The quality is excellent. So this is a 1925 Masters gooseneck gumball machine on top, and we recreated the bottom, and it's on a scale from 1 to 10. He did a 10. The guy's very meticulous, did a beautiful job of recreating this kind of possible coin return plus the gumball bottom. So it was a beautiful marriage. I think the machine is fabulous. It's done very, very nicely. This is a gumball machine. Probably only 1 out of 10 Masters are gumballs. Primarily, they're all peanut machines. The nice thing about a gumball machine, there was never any salt corrosion in them. So a lot of these, you know, they really got to get cleaned up down in here because of the salt over all these, 80 years. Of course, they weren't ran that long. But this is a gumball machine. It was born a gumball machine. It runs good. This is fresh gum, which I will send with it, so you will get the gum with it, so you have product. But what a beautiful machine. Runs good, looks good, it's got nice locks in it. Just an absolutely great gumball machine, mid-1920s. We recreated this for the obvious reason that it adds a lot of value and it is super cool, makes it tall, etc. Anyway, if you like the machine, well, let's buy it. We'll get it out to you by before noon. Typically we ship the same day. Hey, thanks for watching our videos. So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.